Hello everyone, I'm John. Welcome back to my channel to learn more science with me. So, I won a place on the plane on ITV Anton Tech Saturday Night Takeaway. Now I'm coming here on a holiday for 1 week here in Orlando, Florida, and I'm really looking forward to it. And I had to fly here. Now we all know that flying isn't really good for the environment because it makes up a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. However, I've been flying on an Airbus A350-1000, which is the most fuel-efficient plane that is operating to this day. So let's talk about how it's very efficient. So the first thing is, most of the things are very lightweight. Say, for example, the engines. It's really lightweight. And that helps to move the aircraft in the air a bit more freely, and then that means less fuel is being used, and less fuel being used means less carbon dioxide going up into the atmosphere. So that's what's happening. And there's also an intelligent airframe that's also really light. And what's going on so there's actually a really cool system inside of this aircraft. So you have two wings, they have two engines, they're both full of fuel. Now each wing can have a different rate of burning the fuel. So one, say for example, this wing could be burning it faster and this wing could be burning it slower. So that means this wing is lighter because it's lost most of its fuel, and this wing is heavier because it hasn't used that much. Then you start to go out of balance. Imagine that you're on a tightrope. It's really hard to go when you're wobbly. You should always be in balance and straightened out. Now the thing is, many aircrafts need to have this thing that goes out to help balance it out. I forgot the name, but it's something that helps to balance it out and balance out the wings. However, that's not very efficient. But on this aircraft, what happens is the airframe automatically can automatically sense when it's like that and it's out of balance, and it can automatically send the right amount of fuel to the right wing. And that's really clever. It's also made out of light materials like carbon composites, which are really light, titanium, and modern aluminium alloy. I'm very sorry everyone, because I had a very limited time, so I couldn't explain everything that I wanted to say. But now I'm at my hotel, so I can explain everything that I wanted to do. So we're looking at the Airbus A350. This is a really cool fact. Every 2 to 3 minutes, the aircraft replaces the air, so then it can reduce the chances of jet lag. And another fun fact is that it's nearly the length of a football field, so that's actually quite long. And here's one of the more things that I wanted to talk about. So the wing design, so there's a new design in the wing. So the tip of the wing has been bent, and it was inspired by the bald eagle, which is a really fast eagle in North America. Now what happens is, when it's bent like this, the tip of the wing, a picture will come up to show you it right now. What happens is it's more aerodynamic and it can go through the air more freely. And when that happens, that means less fuel is being used to make the aircraft go through the air. And when that means less fuel is being used, less carbon dioxide is going up into the atmosphere. Now, there's a lot of other things that I want to do further research on. So when I get back home in the UK, I'm going to get in touch with 2 aircraft engineers which are really good with airplanes, and we're going to give you some more information about this amazing aircraft which is really fuel efficient. So that's it for now. So stay tuned for that video coming up. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time to learn more science with me. Bye.